Sheriff Labrador. There's no case we can't solve.
Woof. Welcome to the police station. Let's begin today's work together. We have a new case. Woof. I am Sheriff Labrador.
Sheriff Labrador, we are in trouble. The warehouse of the restaurant is in a mess.
Stay calm. Please tell me your location.
I am at Chicken Restaurant.
I'll be right there. Sheriff Labrador ready to go.
Sheriff Labrador, you are here. I was picking goods up from the restaurant's warehouse, and it's such a mess when I entered. And I saw a figure. The figure ran away from the window.
Count on me. The warehouse is in a mess. That figure might be a thief. Let's check out if anything is missing in the warehouse.
Please help.
Let's count the quantity of items on the floor. 3 stars! You are as awesome as Sheriff Labrador. 2 stars. You are as awesome as Officer Doberman.
1 star. You are as awesome as Officer Akita.
Let's record the quantity of items. How many lollipops are there on the floor? How many bottles of Coke? The quantity of items has been recorded. Good job. You are as cool as Sheriff Labrador.
Here is the quantity of items before the suspected figure came.
Here is the quantity of items we have now. Let's compare and check out if there is any difference in the quantity of items. The quantity of items is different on 2 sides. A bottle of Coke is missing. It seems that the figure is indeed a thief. The thief has escaped through the window. Let's check out the window and maybe we can find some clues. Let's check out if the thief has left any clues. A piece of purple outfit fragment. A trail of footprints. A fluff of black hair. A lipstick. Great! We have found 4 clues near the window. First, let's observe the footprints. Which animal left these footprints? I get it! The thief is a wolf.
Oh no, the wolf is the thief. I remember 6 wolves have been to the restaurant today.
I will get the surveillance video of the restaurant. Let's find all 6 wolves that have been to the restaurant. Let's try to find 6 wolves. Check it out here. Checkout counter. Aisle of the warehouse. Check it out, dining area. You found all 6 wolves. Good job. You are as cool as Sheriff Labrador. Based on the clues we have found from the warehouse, we can surely find the real thief. A piece of purple outfit fragment has been found at the warehouse. Who is wearing a purple outfit? a fluff of black hair at the warehouse. Whose hair is black? A lipstick has also been found at the warehouse.
Oh my! Miss Wolf is the thief! I know her. She lives on Howl Street.
I'll set off right now and catch the thief.
Sheriff Labrador, what brings you here?
It's utterly wrong to steal.
I am wrong. I will never steal again.
Labrador, mission complete. The handsome sheriff dog started lecturing on safety. Miss Wolf took things from the store without paying for them. Is the behavior right? That's not the right thing to do. You can only take things from the store after paying for them. Stealing is not allowed.